Hello everyone. Reserve Bank of India has released RBI Grade B 2022 notification to fill a total of 294 vacancies. Along with the notification, RBI has also released the application form. In this video, we have explained how you can fill RBI Grade B 2022 application form. To register for the exam, candidates need to fill their name, email ID, mobile number, and enter the CAPTCHA code. After filling all these details, candidates should click the Save and Next button to proceed to the next page. After registration, candidates will receive their registration number and password. The same will be sent to their registered email ID and mobile number. In the next step, candidates need to upload their scanned photograph and signature as per the format prescribed by RBI. After uploading the scanned photograph and signature, candidates need to fill their basic and personal details. In the basic details part, candidates need to enter post, category, select exam center for prelims and mains. In the personal details part, candidates need to enter their date of birth, gender, father's name, mother's name, address. After filling all these details, candidates should validate these details and proceed to the next page of RBI Grade B application form. After entering the basic details and personal details, candidates should provide information related to their educational qualification, knowledge of computer, work experience, and languages known. After entering educational qualification, work experience, and languages known, candidates should preview their application forms and check all the details entered by them carefully before final submission. Candidates should note that after final submission, there is no provision to make changes in the application form. After uploading the handwritten declaration and left thumb impression, candidates should proceed towards paying the application fees. The application fees can be paid through credit card, debit card, other debit cards, internet banking, wallet or cash cards, or through UPI. Once the fee payment is done, candidates will receive a transaction slip. Candidates are directed to keep that transaction slip carefully. After that, candidates can take printout of their application form. With this, you are done with filling RBI Grade B application form.